Hey guys, so we are here at the Gustiamo Open Warehouse, the winter edition, and I am at the Piazza with Beatrice. Is that how I pronounce it?
Yes, you did well.
Beautiful, beautiful. So Beatrice, please tell me a little bit about Gustiamo. When did you guys start your company?
So we are celebrating 20 years of age. It is the youngest, very beautiful company. Gustiamo, we opened in 1999.
20 years.
20 years.
Wow.
Yes, 20 years. It's a big accomplishment, I would think.
Absolutely.
And 20 years in the Bronx.
20 years in the Bronx.
Yes.
That's
yes,
awesome.
Yes,
That's fantastic.
Yes.
So the biggest thing you guys do is you import all of your products from Italy. So from Italy to the Bronx. Why is that so important? That's the case.
It is important because we select the producers who take care of their people, use the best ingredients, and make these fantastic foods like tomatoes, canned tomatoes clearly, pasta, extra virgin olive oil. Mm-hmm. And we import them in the United States, and we make the world, in America, they aware that these fantastic products do exist and they can be purchased, and we sell them online to the general public in the United States, mm-hmm. or to restaurants and stores around the country.
Wonderful. So you said you go from south to north Italy.
Yes.
So
and islands.
So the
Sicily,
flavor profiles
Sardinia.
must differ from each side of Italy.
Yes. For example, the extra virgin olive oil that we have from many regions of Italy is completely different from the region of the north, like Liguria, to the region of the south, like the island of Sardinia or Lazio, where Rome is. The biodiversity of Italy is incredible.
Yes.
For example, in terms of olives, you must know that there are 600 cultivars of olives in Italy. Therefore, and even the same cultivar of olive oil, if it is grown on one hill or on the other hill, different exposures or different vicinity to the seaside, it makes completely different olives,
right?
And different olive oil. Therefore, when we say, what is your favorite olive oil? It doesn't matter. I mean, they're all beautiful as long as they are made from olives and nothing added, nothing taken away. Mm-hmm. It's like what we say, it's a fruit juice. An extra virgin olive oil is very good for you. It must be a fruit juice.
Right. Now, let me ask you, I've heard that it's impossible to fry anything with extra virgin olive oil. Is that true?
This is horrible to say because no, it is because the smoking point, right, it's much higher. When you fry, the smoking point is much lower. That means you fry at a temperature mm-hmm. where the extra virgin olive oil does not smoke.
Right.
And the difference of frying with extra virgin olive oil is incredible to the result of the fried food, mm-hmm. to the result because it's much lighter. It has that flavor of a good extra virgin olive oil with all the nuances, the differences of every single extra virgin olive oil. And also your apartment, your house does not smell. Mm. When you fry with extra virgin olive oil, so your apartment, the food that you're frying comes out magnificent. And third, you use a product that is good for you and the earth. Right. Because anything else that is not extra virgin olive oil is bad for the earth, because they use solvents, chemical products to make it an olive oil on your supermarket shelves.
Mm-hmm. So the last question I have for you, you guys have a really awesome social media presence. Your Instagram is very much like a storybook. It tells the stories about the farmers and the products that you use. Why is it so important for you to share those stories of the farmers that you basically run your business with?
Yeah. It is very important for us to show these stories to the American market, to the American people, to the world, because of course the internet can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Because we have to support these farmers. We have to make sure that everybody knows the struggles that they go through in order to make the products that they are able to make without cutting corners, without adding ingredients that are not perfect to mm-hmm. their traditions, to respect their tradition, their story, the right way to do whatever they are doing, a tomato sauce, an olive oil, growing, making the pasta. So it is very important to support these people.
That's wonderful.
We try.
That's fantastic. Thank you for taking some time out.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
speaking
for
with me.
coming.
There's
Thank
a lot
you.
of pizza going on behind me, guys, so I've got to go. It's my job. That's all I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, guys, we're here with Danielle from Gustiamo, and we're about to take a tour to see what they have to offer this holiday season.
So one of the things that Gustiamo specializes in are tomatoes. So these are real San Marzano tomatoes, hard to find. A lot of tomatoes claim to be San Marzano, but these are the real thing. Then we have these awesome tomatoes from the slopes of Mount Vesuvius. They're made by a farmer named Pasquale, and they're called Pienolo tomatoes. If you come down this way, we have this amazing, amazing balsamic vinegar made by Mariangela in the province of Modena. And this is a balsamic saba, which is an everyday balsamic vinegar. The only ingredient in this is grape, which is great. So if you come down this way, we have a lot of vegetables preserved in olive oil. These are our wonderful small artichokes. You can see them there, small individual artichokes made by Francesco Vastola, a farmer in Campania. And if you come down this way, we have one of our holiday bestsellers, which is this amazing chocolate bar. It's made by a chocolate maker near Milan named Marco Colzani, and here you see beautiful slices of orange on top, which are also Italian oranges.
All right, so Danielle, you guys are actually featured on Food and Wine, the December issue.
Yes.
Right here, right?
So we're in the December issue of Food and Wine. Our friend wrote this article, Paul Greenberg, and he's talking about the work we do here in the Bronx and the products that we bring in from Italy.
Right. You guys actually have a curated box
Exactly.
here based on what the items featured in the article.
Exactly. So Food and Wine asked us to do this as something for people who read the article. They can go online and buy this basket. And it's cool because the products that are discussed in the article, such as this pistachio spread, are what's also in the basket. And so hopefully it'll be a good seller this holiday season.
That's awesome. So tell me a little bit about today's event in the sense that if people come in today, they actually have a personal shopper that takes them around, sort of what we just had you do for us.
Exactly.
And explain a little bit about the story behind the product.
Exactly. So we're an e-commerce company. So that's what we do 365 days of the year. People place orders on our website and we ship them out from here, our warehouse in the Bronx. But people are always curious to see our warehouse, see what goes on here. So one or 2 days a year, like today, we open up our warehouse, we get some pizza going, have people eat pizza, shop. It's definitely the best like Black Friday weekend shopping experience, I think, probably in the country. I mean, you get to eat unlimited free pizza, so
totally.
we're doing something right, I think.
Awesome. Thank you, Danielle.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Guys, I'm here with Elena and Mateo of Sottocasa, and they've been actually supplying all of this amazing pizza that we've been eating today. And the pizza that you guys make, you're using the products that are sold here at Gustiamo.
Some of them, yes. Some, like a fresh one, of course, we buy from other suppliers. But the rest, yes, we can use some the friarielli, for example, for today. We use the tomato sauce today for this event. And of course, the oil is really good, some peperoncino picante. And then, of course, in our restaurant, we have some other products, but we try to do something together.
And how long are you guys going to be here today making this wonderful pizza? Because I've had about 6 slices already.
Until we have enough pizza.
More. Oh, wonderful. Well, for me, there's never enough pizza.
Okay.
So I'll be having a lot more.
We still have about 30 pizza to make. So.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
I'm assuming 28 for myself and then 2 for everybody else.
I agree with you. It's okay.
Excellent. That
Yeah.
sounds pretty good to me.
Everybody else is okay. It's fine.
Wonderful. Well, I have to say it's been super delicious pizza, and so I look forward to gaining some more pounds.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you both. Bless your heart.
Thank you very much. And
Thank
come
you, guys.
to visit us in Harlem.
And you guys are located in
Harlem.
West or East Harlem?
Central.
Central Harlem.
121st and Lenox.
And how long have you had that spot
It's
there?
going to be 4 years next April.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it so much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Grazie.
Grazie. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for me. Make sure to go to Gustiamo on Instagram and gustiamo.com and subscribe to their newsletter. And thank you to Sottocasa in Harlem for the wonderful pizza I'm about to eat and the pizza they've been producing for everyone right behind me. That's it. Cheers. Perfect.